Memo akwaba. Anytime biana you bete Apple din biano. And din me any PM, the two Steves, which is Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak. Now, do you know, sir, there was a third person, a bra na omote the company called Apple. On April 1st, 1976, and as Steve Mienui, Wozniak and Jobs, a your madrin say, started company a friend Apple. Now, omo forma ho adwene om se dabi. Na se ekodru baby na se ye fa adwene bi na se paya ana se ye hia obi obegina mfimfin a emienu kwan de ntumi nye yi ene yenkopo obi from fankan ho. Be ma omo kofa kan no ye fe no Ronald Wayne. Na Ronald Wayne ene sa Steve Jobs aye djuma in other organizations that Atari mu nyina no ma ye djuma e ho hoda. Now, because of that, international Steve Jobs ni say, or you'll be able to me convince, or you'll be a drew time, you'll be obedient or ya dear wumpa. Then you fit no kofane by. Sabra Mika say, na Steve Jobs, just 21 years. Steve Wozniak, 25 years. And a Ronald Wayne, the 40 sim, or only 40 sim. Tisi Aminoka say, Ronald Wayne, 88 years. So then, no one 40 sim. Na omoko tena se omo ne kan bibia no peneye eno no an twe paper eno ye illustration of the first Apple logo omo design ye owie ye ena osa print and so type of documents no partnership ni nyina ene yes okay Steve Jobs obefa 45%, Steve Wozniak obefa 45%, 10% na aka no me Ronald Wayne and I'm a fan no munyina happiness no be sign a contract documentation be a fa Apple company who me be no sa opanyin na ye because no ya ade na ye ne djuma pa no ye. But just after 12 days and no san go back no say me 10% share no me ton. The reason is saying want me control mo but enne we reveal the reason tia or call back catch almost the 10% shares no or ton. Now, I won't for be reported say or ton shares no $800 then it means report is or ton $1,000, $1,500 then. But whatever be the case, either say or ton shares no either $800 or so or ton $1,005 so the equity and say 12 days 2 weeks grandpa and no san no say me share say we no me ton and almost atna say na just on which sa 10% shares nyina no no abese Steve just try to convince na say that the ninja ho Apple pa de onye recently ya na Ronald Wayne edbeto dwase the reason tia or turn the shares e company mu ni say number 1 sambre no na Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak omususa omuniska me Ronald Wayne no mo fie mo car mo bank account ask a wom sisi as a company a run a kabe mu a Steve Wozniak anyway Steve Jobs anyway se ka se de nse to obi agapade so a hwan ne de beto so me Ronald because me na menyine me na mo car me on bank account me na mo fie aside that osan say right after sa negotiation almost sign we ye no and Steve Jobs say odi ne nwumedie na one company bia na say shop bia from a Byte store e sign contract e che say omo be provide computers e dia momo or yes say we no koji loan of $15,000 e de buy say and omo found total raw products no no omo ntumi emfanye nema ntumi fan hye sa computers in fan koma sa shop yo so mu hie. But Ronald Wayne say ono hwehwe mu no kire say sa Byte stuff we omo de ka omo ntua and so omo de ka no omo ntua na say Steve Jobs akwaji $15,000 e de aba na say ye de ko hye business yi mu ni ye wie na say amfa hwan japade na de ensabeto so asmo sa kan se me na me nyini I was growing old me dwumadi am edi nyina me pesa afna makọ pension na afna me bebre dealing with these two cases na say there also woni tiger edi agro no aso ne dua obetimi awu any moment nti o se o ye na dwe se dabi sa de we de onye because be BCC Steve Wozniak and Steve Jobs omo ni hwe omo de ba on the table me na me wosika me na me ho be kire me But I realize me say sa 10% shares na oton ye no say ne so nka da so kura that 10% shares na anka oni kura nka $50 billion de anka wo bi asisi anka ye kan esikafo e wo wiase nyina na kebe na kan bi enne yebisa ne say na wonu hu say oton sa ne shares na na o si da bi onu hu say oton sa 10% shares, but there's a particular action me o take ya onu any say after so oton ne shares no around 1993 mu ho no sa document na one Apple mo sign Steve Jobs mu nyina stand Steve oni mo sign ye chese or 10% shares no oton sa sheet no sa paper no for $500. Now after some few years, which is 2011, almost 20 years after so oton sa paper no, that same paper no omuko auction no be toy $1.8 million. Paper now oton or no ton ma be $500 no. After omo de call auction be toy sa paper no $1.8 million. Anka says can be 20 there. Or say that decision no no I regret it. But so oton 10% shares in Apple there, one regretted that. Say 30 stories be say aya na yeka say me anka me hold me. But the issue is no be him the future of Apple. Now before then so no na Ronald so go into some other business go and succeed. So that fear was there. Besides, also be seen then no on regret ye say o free the company say or turn 10% shares home. Into no join ye na o free no say on regret ya any won't be say whom am I ye know why more beka say be I feel sorry for him. But do you think say he is actually trying to hide something? Do you think say be a regret it but on person or be kind of crenana? Why do you say mami who comments or the comment section so subscribe to my YouTube channel and like a video share more friends or some baby. Many I just send there or share. Bye bye.